Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
Namaskar. My name is Richa Kumar. I'm a research scholar pursuing my PhD. I'm a person who's very keen to learn things around. I'm curious to find solution to problems around. I have always tried to ensure that I have a very motivated team around me, whether it is my students, my teachers, and of course my parents. I come from a background of academics where I have done my master's in political science. I have done my master's in education administration. While I was on this journey of trying to find myself, I found that I could do good to people when I interacted with them. And this made me come forward and bring a change in this entire education sector, keeping in mind that the change comes with a change in the mindset. So this is all about me.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held a key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. What keeps you connected with the education sector, ma'am?
The most satisfying part is when you are with students and you get to learn a lot from them. That keeps me motivated and that keeps me, grounded, keeps me connected with them, because there, when I'm seeing that I'm learning something, I feel that after I have learned something from them, it's my turn to give back to them. And that keeps me on.
Being the principal of St. Whitfield College, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
Being the director principal of St. Wilfrid School, I am looking after the CBSE school. I am also looking after the administration part of my MCA section, which is the St. Wilfrid College of Computer Science. We have also the College of Pharmacy. We have PGDM. We have graduation. And we are coming up with very many such beautiful courses for our children. I think it is going to be one of the best institutions in this entire Mumbai. Specifically, it's a boon for our Meera Bhayandar students, where they will get a one-stop solution to all their educational needs.
How do you strategize about the key program and especially for extracurricular activities for the students, ma'am?
See, when we interact with the students at the time of interview, when we take them in, we try to gaze what are their basic requirements. On the basis of that, the entire curriculum is framed, because then we are able to reach across what they actually want, and then we are able to develop their skills as per their potentials. So this is one of the things that we always take care when we plan, whether it's for school or whether for college. Now, if I look at my school section, we keep calling professionals who interact with the students, and there is a lot of curiosity which we try to bring out from the children. I always tell my children, always look to the power of why, because when you look to the why, you are getting a lot that you have not even treaded on. You are getting a lot of information and you are able to work in an area where you could do something better than what already information is there in your hand. So in this kind, doctors, engineers, we have defense people who have come to the institution and they have interacted with the students, and lovely questions have been asked by our students. One very beautiful question I remember, which I would like to share here, that one of my child had asked, how do we reverse diabetes? And that question coming from a grade 5 was in itself a very beautiful, I would say a big applause to my science teacher who has created that curiosity in that child's mind, and he was able to put up this question to the doctor, and he gave a very beautiful answer also, which was very satisfying for the child, where he then later in his vote of thanks he said, "Thank you sir for clearing a lot of our myths that we are carrying along with them." And now when we come to the college section, now these are young, matured, some immature, but yes, children who are thinking. For such children, we try to give them projects which they research on and they present. When they present, we call in company officials who validate the projects that they share in front of the panel who is viewing the projects. So this again gives them a lot of solution-oriented thinking, because there they ask, the questions are directly coming from the people who are going to take their product. So suppose we have called JP Morgan, we have people who are asking, no, our requirement is this, will you be able to give me this? So this is a very beautiful practical way, a research, experiential way of learning for our children.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
I think first thing earlier also I said, this is one-stop solution to all your academic needs. This is one place where your child comes in a playgroup and he goes out as a postgraduate. So this is where you're ready, to diversify yourself, where you have a team of teachers, institution leaders who are nurturing you in the right direction from the beginning to the end.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Children, if you want to succeed, first thing, there are no shortcuts. Always understand that discipline, time management. Time management does not mean getting up at this time and sleeping at this time. Time management means that you have a task, and that task, how time coordination has been done, and you have completed the task with accuracy. That is what I feel that all young minds who are watching me should try to see that. Explore yourself. You never know what is there. Never fear of failure. Always be ready to understand that if one door closes, many other doors are open for you to take you in. So never lose hope. Always be positive. Keep smiling, and things go very easy.
It was a pleasure talking to you and interviewing Thoughts on Education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.